What's the crack? Let's build an outfit for some meetings in Belfast. So starting off with trousers, and I already know you're gonna love these. These are a recent pickup from Mango. They're the grey wool pleated trouser. They're slightly more expensive at £79, but I honestly think they're a wardrobe staple. On top, we're going for this forest green t-shirt, which is also from Mango. It's a really nice soft cotton, and I think it'll add a nice pop of colour. Layered over that, we're going for this crisp white Oxford shirt. I'm actually going to tuck this in to give it a slightly more interesting silhouette. For footwear, it has to be my favourites at the minute, which are the Axel Arigato Dice Low. And for accessories, we're switching out the Apple Watch in favour of something more simple, which is this silver Casio. I'm also going to grab a pendant necklace and just a few silver rings. And that's the outfit of the day. Let me know what you think in the comments.